How to transfer WhatsApp chats to a new phone. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can easily do that. So if you're willing to trying to change or remove your WhatsApp chats to a new phone, you're going to first have to back up all of these chats. So in order to do that, simply open up your WhatsApp and then tap on the three lines at the top, click on settings, then from here you'll find your chat section. Once you get to chats, head over to chat backup. And then from here, you're just going to go ahead and tap on the backup option, back up all of the messages in a Google Drive. And what you can also do is try to transfer chats directly from here. You can transfer chat history to an Android phone. Transfer your chat history privately and have your most up-to-date messages without using Google storage. Certain devices permissions are needed to contact this. So tap on start, you can transfer over Wi-Fi network. Just follow the on-screen prompts and you could do this from here as well. Otherwise, you could just back it up on your Google Drive and then enter the same Google Drive on other phone to back up and sync all of your chats to normal. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.